Hey guys, I got some downtime here at work, and I brought some of my friends' soft brick ESCs with me, and thought I'd make a little quick video while I have some time here to show you how to c-2 flash BLHeli-S ESCs. These are aikons basically. So if you're looking to find a way to flash using the c-2 method, if you accidentally flashed the wrong firmware on your ESC, then this should help you out. I can accidentally flash my aikons with the wrong firmware, and I couldn't find any documentation or anything how to do it, but someone ended up helping me out, showed me how to wire it up, and I just thought I'd lend a hand to anyone who's out there searching for a way or a method. But it's pretty easy. Use a very fine tip solder iron, because you have to get to these little pads right there on the board. I don't know if you can see it, but you got to get to those really small pads. You're gonna need, I have a servo lead right here that I have soldered up to that. You're gonna need a battery, because you're gonna have to power the ESC. You're gonna need an Arduino Nano. That's what I'm using. They're like $7-8 on Amazon. I made a little pigtail lead, so I can power up the LiPo from a battery, and then BLHeli Suite on your computer. I'm using an older version, but it'll still work fine. Let me get down to the process. Okay, so once you got everything ready, you're gonna have to wire it up. So here's an ESC I haven't done yet. I haven't soldered anything to, but you see those 4 pads right there? The one on the far left, that's your ground. You can check it with a multimeter. That's your ground. The one right next to it, that's going to be like a 3-volt. I'm not sure what it's used for, but it's a 3-volt output. And then the next 2, the ones on the right, those ones are the ones you use to transmit data and receive data, I'm assuming. Those 2, if you can't connect later on when I show you in the video, you can try swapping those 2 around, but I'll show you how to wire it up the right time to the first time, so you don't have to keep messing with it. But that's on that one. On your Arduino, you're gonna look at these right here. You're gonna see on this side, you're gonna see ground, D2 and D3 on the bottom left hand side. I don't know if it'll focus, but that's where you're going to want to put your lead, and I have it colored accordingly, so my ground's going to be, black, and the other ones are accordingly. But if you wire it up that way, everything should work fine. Let me go ahead and plug everything in. Okay, so now that I got the ESC plugged into the Arduino, you see got my connection, and it's going to the ground, D2 and D3 pads on the Arduino. And then from here, what you can do, go into BLHeli. You're gonna go to Make Interfaces. Okay. Now you have your information over here. I'm using the Arduino Nano. Baud rate, just leave it default like that. And what you're gonna want to do is go down here to the 4-way interface. So you're gonna click that. You're going to select OK, because you're going to flash using the c-2 method. And then you're going to choose the multi-rotor 16.4. Yours might be different because I'm using an older version of BLHeli Suite. So I'm going to select multi-rotor 16400 hex. Open. Do you want to flash your Arduino Nano? Yes, I'm going to. So what this is doing is this is writing to the Arduino so it can communicate with the ESC. So after that's all done, you can go back to your normal ESC setup. You're going to go down, and you're going to select c-2 right here. So you're going to go to the interface. You're going to select Scilab's 4-way. Okay, that's very important. That's what messed me up the first time I did it. So you're going to select the c-2 4-way. Okay. Now since you're connected to the computer, I got my USB hooked up. I'm connected. Everything's connected. I'm going to go ahead and hit connect. Hold on a second. I didn't choose. Let's see. Yeah, I didn't have the right COM port. Make sure you got the right COM port, guys, or else it's not going to connect. So you're going to connect. Okay. So it connected. I'm going to put the camera down for a second. And I'm going to go ahead and power up my ESCs, or my ESC, with the lead I made here. Okay, so it's connected now. Okay, I got power going to the ESC. Now I'm going to hit read setup. Alright, that's a good sign right there. So it read it. This is an aikon, so it's BL-Heli-S, and it's reading that it's flashed with the non-BL-Heli-S firmware 14.75, so that's no good. That's why it won't boot up or anything. So I'm going to hit OK. It's going to prompt you. It's going to tell you that that's the wrong firmware, and 14.75 is not supported. So do you want to flash? Yes, we're going to want to flash. You're going to select flash. Now you're going to go into, you're going to select, I think the CH15 is what you're going to want to flash with. 16.4 CH15. This is for the BL-Heli-S aikon ESC. Okay, so I'm going to select that one. It's going to ask you if you're sure. Yes, we're sure. So we're going to flash. And that's it. Hit OK. You want to continue at the current setting? Yep, you sure do. And it's going to tell you that the new firmware does not match the old firmware, which it's telling you that the new stuff is BL-Heli-S, the old stuff is not BL-Heli-S, and that's okay. That's what you want. Okay, that's successfully. Suite looks like for BL-Heli-S ESCs. There's not many settings compared to the non-BL-Heli-S, but that's what it looks like, and the ESC is now good to go and ready to be put back in a quad and flown. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps somebody out in the future. Throw me a comment, like, share the video. Thank you for watching.